Hello, in this question number 19 it has been said that suppose 1, 2 and 3 are the roots of the equation x to the power 4 plus ax square plus bx is equal to c, and we need to find out the value of c. So now this equation can be rearranged as x to the power 4 plus 0 into x cube plus a into x square plus bx minus of c is equal to 0. Now roots are taken now the roots are taken as 1, 2, 3, and let the last root be equal to p. Okay, these are the 4 roots. So now the sum of the roots is basically equal to 0. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus p is equal to 0. So that implies that p is basically equal to minus of 6. So that implies that the roots are 1, 2, 3 and minus 6. Okay, so that implies that c, which is equal to the product of all the roots, is basically 1 into 2 into 3 into minus of 6. So this will be equal to minus 6 into 6, which will be, so c is equal to minus of 36. So the value of c is basically negative of the product of all the roots. So this is minus of minus 6, so this will be minus and minus, this will be plus, so c is equal to plus 36. So this is how you solve. So now this is the answer to question number 19.